Vulcan, the eco-friendly anti-scale system. Made in Germany.
Vulcan is an eco-friendly water treatment system that prevents limescale deposits and rust in piping systems and equipment. Vulcan also gently reduces existing limescale deposits in old pipes and appliances. The eco-friendly Vulcan Impulse technology works without salt, without chemicals, and without magnetism, and thus protects the environment. The eco-friendly Vulcan Anti-Scale System is installed at the Nestlé Ice Cream Factory. Before the installation of the Vulcan system, the water tanks were full of scale inside and outside of the tank, requiring frequent acid cleaning. The hot water pipe was blocked and production had to be stopped to replace it. To address this, 2 Vulcan units have been installed. The Vulcan S25 was installed on the hot water tank, where impulse bands were wrapped with an insulation layer. The Vulcan S10 was installed on the cleaning-in-place machines. Since installation, the Vulcan S25 has kept the hot water tank clean, eliminating the need for weekly acid cleaning, and the Vulcan S10 has prevented blockages, allowing continuous production without interruptions. More Vulcan references, studies, and test reports you can see on our website, cuwtvulcan.com. Contact your local Vulcan distributor to get a Vulcan test unit for your application.